This is the Kubota SVL65-2. It's a 2024 model. It only has 72 hours. This is stock number 80146. Has warranty until July 2026. And this is actually a late model machine now. Kubota just released the 65-2S, which is it's a little bit of an upgraded unit from this one, but not a whole lot. But one thing that did go up on the S series,
price.
It went up big in price. A new SVL65S with the same features, you're going to be sitting right about $69,000. So this is about
it's a big savings.
How much is that in math, Willie? 14,000 for the people that need calculators like myself. Yeah, it's a big savings. Like new machine. If it wasn't for the bucket being scratched up and the track wheels like they do when you put any hours on them getting a little rusty, this would look like a new machine.
Wide track model, 2-speed.
Yeah, 2-speed. It's got factory heat and air, and it's got the not patented, but trademarked Kubota roll-up door.
Yes.
So you can run this open and closed. Kubota diesel engine.
Does have foot throttle, full multifunction levers. This is a nice little machine.
One thing I like about the Kubota SVL series is the numbers mean something. This is a 65 horsepower machine.
Yes. And for a 65 horsepower machine, the one big thing about the SVL65s is they have what's called a hybrid priority valve system, and that makes it feel, from a hydraulic standpoint, like a lot larger machine than what you have in a standard 65 horsepower. So if you want more information on that, feel free to give us a call, and we'll explain that whole concept to you that Kubota has. But yeah, this is a great track loader. Our used track loaders do not last long, so I would definitely call on this one soon at 54,450.